today we are doing an empty apartment tour of our new place. Surprise! Your girl moved. I'm very excited. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't worry, the apartment tours will still continue. I'm just gonna show you guys my apartment. So that's why the bonus tour didn't have any information, because I was moving. So I'm gonna show you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, so you can keep up with everything that's going on and how I decorate. So let's go inside. So I love that. And still has the valet trash, even though it's inside the building. Washer and dryer, stacked front load, which really makes me happy. I had to come and meet AT&T. If you guys will follow my vlog, my vlog moving series, you'll see that AT&T, I had to come over here to meet them. So, and this is just the dolly from downstairs. And beautiful cabinets. I love the stove. Here are the cabinets. I love that this is black. Like, that is just so pretty to me. This is the dishwasher, complete with garbage disposal, marble countertop, sorry. And this is just pretty to me. Like, this backsplash, it's just so nice. And this is the welcome basket. I'm just gonna move my little letter that they made me. The welcome basket. They just put a lot of cute little things in it, and it's just so nice. I love these people, like, they're so sweet. And that is the living room, dining area, whole closet, which my last unit did not have. I forgot I had that bag in there. I came over here and put that bag in here. Yeah, did not have that. This is my bedroom, the master bedroom. This is the master bath. I love it because it has drawers on both sides. And the mirror. This is the shower. This bathroom has a shower now, and my closet. Tell me this closet isn't everything. Like, okay? I'm stepping back just so y'all can see. And it has these beautiful built-ins in there as well. So much space in this closet. Like, I can literally get in, close the door, and be in a corner and have so much space. Like, it's so spacious in here. And the light is amazing. So, closet. Turn these lights out because we pay for that. I like this. Cute, cute, cute. And so we're gonna go across to the other side of the house. There is another closet, like a coat closet here, which I did not have in my last apartment. This is the HVAC unit here. And the bathroom, I did not have storage in the bathroom in my last apartment either. So I'm really glad for that. And this bathroom has the bathtub. Sorry about the vent noise, just want y'all to be able to hear it, but I mean to see everything. It has the subway tiles in the back, which is really pretty. Still has a garden tub, built-in shelf, lots of cabinet space. This bottom part is for a hamper. I don't think I'm gonna put a hamper in there, but sorry, I started moving a little bit of things, but as you come into the second bedroom, that's just what that looks like. And the other closet, also a really big space. And this place is brand new. No one has ever lived in it before. And I love it, absolutely love it, okay? I just wanted to give y'all a quick little tour. So make sure you guys are subscribed so that you can follow me on this vlog journey. Oh, I look so fat in this sweater, like a sheep. Anyway, but make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any uploads about this unit, about my time in this place. I really love this place. I'll do more and show you guys the building